Here's how to change your Apple ID email. Now, if you're on an iPhone, iPad, or a Mac computer and you wanted to change that Apple ID email, let's first just head into the Settings app of your phone, iPad, computer, whatever it may be. And at the very top, you'll be able to see your name. Just tap on your name here. Now, you can see the email associated with your Apple ID. It's right under your name right here. Keep in mind, if that is an iCloud email, you can only switch it to another iCloud email. You can't use another Gmail or any other third party. But if it is Gmail or anything beyond iCloud, you can switch it to whatever you want. And to be able to do that, we're going to tap where it says Sign In and Security. Now, after you've done that, you can see at the very top is email and phone numbers. And this is my primary email address, my Gmail email address. Now, let's say I wanted to update it to something new. First, I would recommend tapping on Add Email or Phone Number. And there you can see its existing email address. Just tap on that, and you're going to enter in that new email address here. Again, Gmail, Yahoo, MSN, Outlook, whatever it may be, you're going to enter that in, and they are going to send a verification code to that email address. So just be able to check that email, make sure you have the password to be able to check it, and enter in that email address verification code. Keep in mind, if you don't have your device with you, I'll also show you a web-based version to be able to change that email address as well if you don't have your device on you. Now, let's go back. After you've added that email address, you'll be able to see it still shows your old email. All you need to do is tap on your old email, and from here, you can just tap on Remove Account. After you've done that, you're also going to select the new email address that you just added, and you'll be able to see primary email. You want to make sure to turn that feature on so that that is now your primary email for your Apple ID account. Now, let's say you don't have your device on you. You don't have your iPhone or whatever on you. You can always just open up a web browser and do this on a web browser instead. All you're going to do is you're going to go to account.apple.com. After you've done that, you'll be able to see it says one account for everything, and here's a sign in button. So I'm going to sign into my Apple ID account. I'll just use my Face ID. And just like that, I'm signed into my account. I'll be able to update the email address on here just by tapping on email and phone numbers. And the process works fairly similar. You can see 3 email addresses. All I need to do is tap on that little plus and then add a new email address. It says a verification code will be sent to that new email address. After I've done that, all I need to do is go to those old email addresses that I don't use anymore and tap on that little minus symbol to remove out any old emails that I don't want associated with my Apple ID.